Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Huskies that are available on the market for their true quality. It's a list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ORIJEN Poultry Free WHOLEPREY Dry Dog Food. ORIJEN Dog 6 Fish Recipe, a high-protein, grain-free dry dog food, is the perfect choice for your canine companion. This 25-pound bag of protein-rich kibble features an impressive blend of 6 whole, sustainable wild-caught fish varieties: Atlantic mackerel, herring, monkfish, Acadian redfish, flounder, and silver hake, which make up 85% of the ingredient list. The remaining 15% consists of farm-fresh produce like vegetables and fruit to ensure a balanced diet that will keep your pup happy and healthy. We believe the ORIJEN Dog 6 Fish Recipe is an excellent option for discerning dog owners seeking a high-quality, grain-free dry dog food that delivers outstanding nutritional benefits due to its rich concentration of animal proteins, along with essential vitamins obtained through farm-fresh ingredients. Give your best friend nothing short than the finest with ORIJEN's 6 Fish Recipe, a superior protein-rich diet catered towards fulfilling their biological needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Rocky Mountain Recipe. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Rocky Mountain Recipe takes inspiration from the diet of wild wolves, providing your canine companion with a high-protein and grain-free meal they'll love. Packed with real beef, this recipe not only satisfies your dog's primal cravings, but also helps build and maintain lean muscle mass. As an added benefit, this adult dry dog food contains healthy carbohydrates such as sweet potatoes and peas to fuel their active lifestyle, while omega-3 and 6 fatty acids support skin and coat health. What sets Blue Buffalo apart is its inclusion of antioxidant-rich life source. It's a blend carefully selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists to ensure immune system health, life stage needs, and a healthy oxidative balance. At number 3, we have the Taste of the Wild High Protein Real Meat Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Protein Real Meat Recipe Appalachian Valley Premium Dry Dog Food is a top choice for small breed dog owners who want to provide their furry companions with a diet that closely mimics what their ancestors thrived on. This grain-free, high-protein kibble offers a unique blend of venison, lamb, egg, duck, and ocean fish proteins to satisfy your pup's craving for something wild while providing key amino acids they need. The Taste of the Wild formula truly stands out due to its easily digestible venison protein and small kibble size catered towards adult dogs' unique needs. It benefits your little one's tummy and teeth by offering probiotics and prebiotic fiber, which support healthy digestion. Moreover, this nutrient-rich dry dog food ensures active canines have all the energy they require thanks to its rich proteins and fats. At number 2, we have the Wellness Core Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. Wellness Core Grain-Free High-Protein Dry Dog Food is the ideal choice for dog owners who prioritize their pet's health and well-being. Crafted with real meat from responsibly sourced turkey, this premium protein-rich formula contains 44% high-quality ingredients to support leaner body mass and muscle tone in adult dogs of all breeds. The best part is that it's made in the USA using only globally sourced non-GMO ingredients, ensuring optimal nutrition without any corn, wheat, soy, or poultry byproducts. What makes Wellness Core stand out further is its balanced emphasis on promoting a healthy coat and digestive health for your furry friend. With guaranteed levels of omega fatty acids derived from flaxseed and salmon oil, your dog's skin will be nourished while also supporting joint strength through glucosamine content. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRAVE Grain-Free High Protein Adult Dry Dog Food. CRAVE Grain-Free High Protein Adult Dry Dog Food, white fish and salmon, 22 pounds. Bag offers the ideal combination of nutrition and taste to satisfy even the most discerning dog owner's needs. This premium dry dog food is specifically designed with your furry friend's well-being in mind, featuring real white fish as its first ingredient for a protein-packed meal that supports strong muscles and a healthy body composition. with an impressive 34% high protein content derived from nutritious grain-free carbohydrate sources like peas. This formula provides all the energy your adult canine requires without any corn, wheat, or soy fillers. Moreover, it contains no artificial flavors or colors and zero preservatives, ensuring only natural goodness for your pooch. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.